Shiba Inu is getting ready to explode. Here's my technical analysis, and here's why. Make sure to watch to this very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu coin analysis and so you know exactly when the next price pump will be. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. Click that link, sign up, and deposit $1 and you guys will get a free stock. And it's a great way to support this channel at the same time and get some free money while you're at it. Guys, I also want to say too, let us know down in the comments below how many Shib tokens you guys are holding. You guys kill it every single video when we ask for you guys to do that. You guys always blow us away with the amount of support that we have, the amount of just incredible stuff that we see down there, guys. It's truly inspiring and we love to see it. We're gonna pin the comment with the most tokens holding, so comment down below if you guys have a lot of tokens. Even if you don't have a lot of tokens, let us know either way. We support everybody in this army, in this family, in this community. So other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Ladies and gentlemen, Shiba Inu coin is absolutely destroying it. We are up about 8.25%. As you can see here, just doing super well. We're at the 2752 level. Again, everything is up, everything is green. Unfortunately, this chart is not green yet because if we go back at least on the month chart, well, sorry, the 7-day chart, and we zoom out, you can see just a little bit of the green there on the kind of early part of this week, kind of the last part of last week. You know, that was the green kind of highs in the 3 level. That's kind of like the old, you know, I guess, you know, top that we were at. And unfortunately, now we have come down significantly from that. However, again, there's still pumps, there's still things that are happening. We're still seeing some upward momentum towards that level, guys. And again, I'm not saying that Shiba Inu is out of the race yet because I don't believe it is. I think there's still lots of room for growth. There's still lots of, you know, potential to just do a lot of stuff. Again, we added a ton of market cap just over the last couple of hours and last night and kind of in the late afternoon of yesterday. And the reason for this is the fun part, right? Here we have the reason for this. It's nothing, guys, I love this. I love this community. You know how it goes. Elon Musk himself, right? He tweeted out a text art photo of, that doesn't even look like a dog. A lot of people are saying it's Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or it's Shiba Inu coin, whatever you want to talk about. That looks like a rabbit to me, which is the funniest part. But again, guys, let's say it's a dog for the sake of everything. Again, here we have the Dogecoin, or sorry, not Dogecoin. This ain't Dogecoin. Who cares about Dogecoin? This is Shiba Inu coin, right? This is a Shiba Inu text art with a little rocket ship to the moon. And as you can see, the comments, of course, acted accordingly, right? Everybody's very excited and wants Shiba Inu to succeed. Now, you know, besides that, that was what kind of kicked off the rally yesterday and what made us, you know, jump back up to these 2743, 27 levels. Again, we were at the 2.5 to 2.4 levels. A lot of people were getting really worried as things were kind of coming down a little bit and heating, or rather cooling down. But what's interesting now is, again, guys, I've been saying this in every video, the rally is not over yet. There's still lots of catalysts to be had. There's lots of social conversation. There's lots of people talking about this coin. Elon Musk, for instance, like, it's, guys, there's still stuff happening. It's not over. I don't know why the bears have this obsession with the failure of this coin. I really don't get it. It's so strange to me that there are people who will look at a cryptocurrency or look at some kind of asset class and look at people investing in it, instead of being like, you know what, I understand your choice. I hope that goes well for you. I hope you make a lot of money. They have to go, that's gonna fail. You're an idiot. You're a moron. Why would you invest in something like that? Why would you put your money into something like that? And they don't get it, right? They don't get why they don't have friends. You know what I mean? But it's people like this that I don't understand, where they have such hatred towards just a lottery ticket play, right? Where these are just people, we want to put money in this and we want to see what happens. I mean, that's what most people's goal with Shiba Inu is. You know, this isn't some, I believe in, you know, I mean, some people believe in the ecosystem, and to be fair, I believe in the ecosystem. But again, guys, if you're a person who just wants to throw money into this coin, there should not be any shame on you. There shouldn't be any person trying to bring you down because of it. A little side tangent there again. Sorry about that. But again, maybe you were feeling that way too. Let us know down in the comments below either way. But let's keep reading here. So, as you can see here, we are on TradingView. This green candle happened right about when that Elon Musk tweet happened. But again, guys, the main thing I want to focus on, at least in this video today, is actually an article that I found in the Cointelegraph that highlights Shiba Inu in a very interesting way. And it's something that I've been talking about over the last like 3 videos, I believe, because really the technicals, if we look at the chart overall of Shiba Inu, we are setting up for a very interesting play, right? And in fact, we're doing it right now. Look at this bull flag that we're forming here on the 6-month 2-hour chart, right? Interesting stuff. Let's read the article because the article actually gives us pretty much a perfect summarization of this and more information obviously as well. So Shiba Inu eyes much wow 90% breakout as Shiba Inu price paints a textbook bull pattern. Let's read a little bit more about that. The Shiba Inu market is a very strong bull market in 2021, and one major continuation pattern on its longer time frame charts highlights the scope for an additional 90% upside move ahead. In detail, Shib rose over 1,250% year to date, of course, and established yearly high at like 3,528, which is very impressive. Obviously, we all know that. Again, unfortunately, later the cryptocurrency cracked under the profit-taking sentiment, and it led to like a 41% price correction to like the 2060 level. But guess what? People bought the dips, right? The believers bought the dips. The community bought the dips. They didn't care, and they held. And now they're being rewarded handsomely. Let's keep reading though. But bulls started accumulating Shib near the said low level. A rebound ensued and the price rallied over 55% to 0.33 or to the 3.2 level, where it met another round of sell-offs. Overall, the Shib price kept forming lower highs and higher lows in the next session, forming a triangle structure that appears like a bull pendant, like I just described. Analysis treats pendants as bullish continuation patterns. Their formation, coupled with declining trade volumes, tends to send prices in directions of their previous trend by as much as the height of the previous rally. Right, so this is the big thing right here, people. So I keep talking about the flag, I keep talking about the bull flag and everything. And what's interesting too is the volume, right? So as volume fades, which we are seeing volume fade, unfortunately, with this. And the reason for that obviously just kind of decay, right? People talk and talk and talk and get so hyped about this coin, and then it kind of reaches max, like, you know, conversation and the price peaks and everything else. And then over the next like weeks or months or so, obviously things are going to fade. Volume, conversation, different things like that. Unless obviously it continues, right? If there's more catalysts to be involved, if there's more people talking about the coin, again, of course, those types of things will continue, and we'll continue to see an upward trend or just some kind of trend, right? There's volatility either way. But again, guys, the reason what he's talking about there with the bull flag is actually very crucial, because again, the more sellers there are of this coin, the more likely that the price is to go down. Obviously, it's just kind of basic supply and demand. The more somebody shows that there is a demand for something, the more people try to buy, obviously the price will go up, and the less people want to buy of it, the more people that are selling of it, the price will likely go down. But now, as volume is fading, right? So there are just less, in general, there are less buyers and sellers in the market, right? Meaning there are less people to, well, one, buy the coin, obviously, but two, buying is not really the key. Selling the coin is really what kind of affects it here. There are less sellers in the market now, meaning that there are more buyers than sellers, more people who are willing to hold the coin long term. And when you have more holders and less people who are selling the coin, you know, decreasing the amount of red that we're going to see opposed to the green, that's when we can see a bullish breakout. And two, the pattern is just like it said in the article, it's textbook, right? This is a textbook bull flag pattern. I wish I could pull out, let me pull out the little lines here, and we'll give you a little line, give you a little resistance kind of line here. Again, I'm not the best at technical analysis, but I like to pride myself that I do a pretty good job, as you can see there. As you can see, we're still trading very tightly within this channel, guys. And again, I think we are getting very, very close here to a very potential breakout. Again, these lines aren't touching the peaks perfectly, so we could be closer or even, you know, like maybe a little bit further away, depending. Let me see if I can move this just a wee bit here. Again, guys, we're getting down to the very kind of tip end of it here, though, the pendant. So really quick though, before we finish this video out, I want to keep two things in mind, because two things can happen, in my opinion, right? This happened with AMC. This exact same thing happened with the stock AMC, where we saw a beautiful pendant pattern forming over like, I don't even know, it was like 2 weeks, I think that pattern was forming, right? Just like this. And I kept saying two things are gonna happen, right? Either breaks out towards the upside, as long as there's enough buyers to fill in that demand. If there's not enough buyers, or a negative catalyst hits this before it can reach the end of this pendant pattern, we might see a breakout towards the downside, guys. So be aware of that. Always be cautious of that. Again, I really hope that it does break out towards the upside. It's looking like it's going to do that. Momentum's there. Everything else is there. If we get another Elon Musk tweet, I wouldn't be surprised if we see that as well. But guys, just keep that in mind. Keep it locked in. Keep it tied here. Make sure to subscribe. But that's pretty much it today for this coin. Make sure to like the video. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. When you use that link, not only does it help support the channel, but it also gives you access access to an amazing social investing app where you can see what your friends, family members, and even famous people are buying, selling, and talking about in the stock markets and now the cryptocurrency markets as crypto was just added not too long ago. Again, guys, let us know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding, and make sure to like this video. Let's get this video to 300 likes. If that would happen, that would be awesome. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.